Aya, from Mindanao.
And?
Wala ako rito.
Ako rin.
Rico, pakita mo mukha mo. Yan. Hi.
We're here at Dubai Creek. Okay.
Yeah,
What's happening here? We're very tired of, the
racing or what? Ah. And then what is this?
our service
Train.
from accommodation.
From where?
Some Alcoces.
Okay. Okay. So, guys, you feel better or what?
Tired.
Ah. So,
Tired of pedaling.
oh.
Wet hair everywhere.
Everywhere. Oh my God. Problem, ah? Let me see your face properly. Oh my God.
See, I make this.
Okay, make loving. Wow, how sweet. Okay, I'll be here with the two ladies. Say something. This is a video for. We're going to put this in the YouTube.
Hi.
We're going to put this in YouTube, so hopefully.
Wala na kayong ginawa, kundi pag-picturean pala. Picturean pala, no? Sige na, uwi na tayo. Let's go.
What can you see, Sosai? Sosai?
Second time around in the bike
Yeah.
trip, but it's really fun. Next time, maybe 1 year more. Hindi tayo.
This is Marlon, our bicycle driver. The reckless driver is here.
Katukayo ko. Ano, gusto nila dyan, maganda dyan, di ba? Maganda dyan, di ba? Sige pre, subukan kita dumaan dyan. Pag ano, di ako na gusto maglalaro. Okay. Susi! Sa iba ako da... Ay, sige. Balik ko na lang ito sa'yo, ha? Susi. Kaya ko na. Kasi naman, ay, ito yung ng goal ko.
Saan ka nakapark ako?
Oo nga, no?
Oo nga, no?
Oregano,
Kuha ka para sa ubo yan. Balak pang magnakaw. Hindi.
Tanya, dahil sa oregano na napauwi.
Na-default lang dahil sa oregano. Treasure stuff.
Hindi, dito shortcut. Dito kami dumaan kanina. Kaliwa lang ng kaliwa. Pangin ba ito?
Konti lang. Madapa ako dyan. Tuwa ko ng kuha.
Kasi lagay ko ito mamaya sa YouTube.
Please. This kind of chip we cannot buy in Philippines, only in Dubai.
Meron kaya sa Philippines niyan.
Yeah, we can buy this mama. It was very expensive. Here only cheap, man. If you're going to choose me, give me a choice. I'm going to choose this one than to cheap it. Same price. Advertisement ng history ko.
Crunchy. Cheesy.
The Adventure of Dubai. It is nice. It is the evening. We can like barbecue.
Until the evening, until 8,
Ano pala ito? Garlic lemon. No? French cheese? Ba't lasang garlic?
Yun yung favorite ko saan eh. Cheesy. Teka lang, kasi cameraman ako.
Diba?